Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible. And I'll read off the seller's information sheet at the auction. And seller stated, exceptional example of this beautifully restored and completely rust-free 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster with its original matching numbers L76 327 V8 with 365 horsepower and finished in stunning rally red color paint with its original correct black vinyl trim code standard interior with a wooden steering wheel, knockoff wheels, a brand new manually folding black convertible top, power antenna, AM/FM radio, power windows, power brakes, power steering, and its original highly desirable Monte 4-speed manual transmission. And it's sold for $59,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a beauty, that's for sure. It's a nice car with the high horsepower engine, 365 horse, without fuel injection. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible with a 327 L76 RPO code with 365 horsepower, a 4-speed, finished in rally red with the black standard interior, and it's sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $59,000. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.